What's going on today, YouTube? Back with another one, BWI to ATXF, the channel, and we're gonna be installing the Panavise mount. It's gonna be a ball socket there with the MagSafe. You can customize that, but you know, you can use your own discretion on that. My links will be in the description below. What you're gonna need today is a Phillips screwdriver, a magnet just in case, a trim removal tool, and a beer. If you can handle not dropping a bolt or not, yeah, go ahead and do a beer. I'm a professional, so here we go. Go ahead and take this bottom one out. You can just wedge it in or rotate it up. I just use this. There's a lot of YouTube videos on there, so don't spend too much time on that. Go ahead and shift this to on. Turn this to on so you can shift just to give you a little bit of clearance. You don't have to start the vehicle. Move this out the way. 3 bolts, 3 screws with the Phillips, 1, 2, 3. And this is already partially removed, but you just pull that out as long as it's sturdy and pull that. And you can set this to the side. Be careful if you got the ultra luxury or the custom luxury with the extended leather. Just make sure that it's nothing that's scratching it or anything like that. Turn the flash on just so you can see what I'm doing. Once you got that plate removed, that 2-decker right there, surround around the disc changer. This bolt right here, you go ahead and unscrew that, and that's gonna mount. Use the existing screw to mount right there, right? Now they include a self-tapping screw that you can install right there in that hole. I'm not doing that, just I'll see how it fares, but if needed, you can definitely do that and just replace it, and that's the install right there. All right, now we can see this is installed. There is a little wiggle room here. Let's make sure that that's pushed out right there. And we're gonna install just reverse of everything that's gonna push it, kind of wedge it in. One thing I would say that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put something protective right here just to not scratch up the leather. Use like some felt pad or anything just to give a layer of protection. So we out there just to use a little fine strip of, you guessed it, electrical tape. You know the theme of the channel. I don't care if you looking that close, get the fuck out of my car, you feel me? But anyway, we got this back in. Notice the gap. We're just gonna push this in. It'll clip. Seats very well. And this is what it looks like closed. I do like that. It looks very well integrated. Close that up. We're gonna put these 3 screws back in and finish out the install for the trim pieces. Snap 2 sides. And one thing about removing this piece, the more you remove it, or after you remove it one time, you know how it is to get it out. So that's a lesson learned on that, if you haven't done it already, that is. So we got this installed, and the only thing left else to do is to put the ball socket on and the adapter. So you do have to piece this together. The plate, I'm gonna leave the actual name of this plate on the description. It's just a ball socket basically. So this is a standard adapter plate which matches with the holes here, and you can get whatever accessory that you want on here. I just got a MagSafe that goes into the ball socket, the 17mm. Like I said, everything's going to be in the description to piece together. Feel free to piece together what you want outside of that, but you can put it like this. And these are the holes, but notice you can see that hole. So basically for my aesthetic purposes, I'm gonna put it elongated like this, lined up, so you can barely see that hole. And you know, if you're driving, you really don't see it. So we are going to, and I don't care about the passenger because they're not looking at it all the time, if at all. So we are going to install what was provided with this plate. Got some bolts here, bolts and nuts. And you also have another theme of the channel, VHB. If I wanted to just stick it there, I know it's gonna hold, but I'm not, because we got bolts. So let's get it. So that's the installation here. You can definitely play around with bolts that you want to show, and even fabricate a cover for this if you want, depending on how critical you are of this. This is criticism that can be easily adjusted. If you don't like the extension of the bolts here, just get some shorter ones. But the utility of this piece is exactly why I got it. I know there's another option down here to put it right here. I just didn't like the fact that I had to reach down, so I opted for this one. So we're gonna go ahead and just put this on here. MagSafe, if you're equipped, I highly recommend it. And it's all in reach. So this is me fully rested back, and it's in an arm's length. So right here, Face ID works just fine. Shout out to Peter's Car Parts. Focus. All right, y'all see it, but everything is here. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. But this is, yeah, this is proper. I like the placement of this. And even if you didn't want to use it for your phone, you got an air controller that you want to mount right here, you can definitely do that just fine, just for it to be in a arm's distance. So that's it for this one, y'all. It's been another episode of BWI to ATXF, the channel. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope you enjoyed it, and lock in for more LS430 content. I'll see y'all real soon.